What's going on, guys? Check it out, HQ. My name is Chris, and welcome to the very first video of 2018. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. Then again, I'm always excited, but I hope you guys have a great new year. So, a company, Banggood, reached out to me right before the year ended, and they said, hey, listen, we have a keyboard and a keycap set. Would you be interested in checking them out? And now I've purchased from Banggood's website before, so if you guys are unfamiliar with their website, go check it out. There's a lot of affordable tech there, keyboards, accessories, keycap sets, cables, a ton of different stuff. Trust me, check it out. You can save some money. You might find something pretty cool. It'll be linked down below in the description. Now, the keycaps set they sent me is a 104 keycap set with a side printed paneling of the translucent top, so hopefully it looks really cool on this keyboard. And I opted for the N Pro. I already own this keyboard in black, so I opted for the white version with brown switches. It's available though in blue, red, and brown switches, as well as different colors. I believe the keyboard comes in black, yellow, white, blue. Yeah, I think it's on the website. Go check it out. So yeah, the keycap set looks really cool, guys. Let's go ahead and put it all together, check it out, and we'll see if it's worth it. All right, guys, so let's get into it. Okay, guys, so before we get into switching these keycaps, let's talk a little bit about the keyboard itself. The Obins N Pro is an awesome little keyboard in my opinion. That's why I was so inclined to do this video when Banggood reached out. If you guys know me, you know I love that minimalistic look, especially when it comes to keyboards and desk space. And that's exactly what you get with the 60% board. Complete with just 61 keycaps, RGB backlighting with more than 16 million different color combos, this little keyboard really packs a punch, and so does the price as well. Coming in at just $70 US, compared to other competitors out there who make 60% keyboards, this takes the win on price alone. Now, this is a mechanical keyboard. They aren't cherry switches, they are Gatoron switches, which claim to be good for 60 million keystrokes. So these switches will do the job. I opted in for the browns, like I stated earlier, but that's all personal preference. I just like the feel and the sound feedback of the browns over other key switches. Another really cool aspect, which you don't usually see in mechanical keyboards, is the option for Bluetooth, and the N Pro has it. Now, do I expect to game with this keyboard wirelessly? No, of course not. I could if I wanted, but it's just not practical. But this being a Bluetooth is cool because if you wanted to just kick back on your couch or bed and maybe browse Netflix or watch a movie, you could do that with this keyboard with absolute ease. So why is this keyboard and keycap set the one that I want to go with? Well, the RGB on this keyboard is a major reason on why I paired these two. You could easily download the Obins app via Apple or Android OS, connect via Bluetooth, and simply change the colors from your phone using the preset color combos, or you could have fun creating your own. The RGB possibilities are endless. Here's two color combos that I made super quick. One is this crazy looking neon colors. I don't know, I called it Monster. It just kind of reminds me of monsters for some reason. I don't know why. And the other one here is the American flag, the iconic red, white, and blue. Now, I'm hoping that these colors really peer through these new keycaps and really bring this RGB effect to the next level. Now, the keyboard itself comes complete with a flat detachable USB cable, a keycap puller, which is going to help out in just a minute, and this little Bluetooth adapter that plugs into your PC's USB port. Now, the keycaps that come stock with the N Pro are PBT double injected keycaps, which are usually very durable, and we're going to be switching over to the new set, which are just your basic ABS keycaps. But that's fine since we're going for looks here, not overall durability. But I'm not worried, I'm sure these will hold up just fine over time. Like I said earlier, this keycap set is trimmed with black and a milky white finish to the top, which is transparent. I like the overall look of this key set because the transparent top doesn't look transparent at all when the RGB is off, which makes this keyboard stand out even in the daytime when RGB might not be popping as much. I think the keycap set looks absolutely gorgeous. The only thing I don't really understand is why they opted to have this spacebar be a solid black color and not have the milky white top. I don't understand, but it still looks good in my opinion. I really do like how the black and the white just really pop off each other here. Like I said, there's no RGB going on right now, and this still looks really good. I like how the lettering is on the inside of the keycaps as well, so it still does stand out when you look down at your desk. It's very appealing when you see this on a desk. I mean, it really does pop. So let's go ahead and check out the RGB and see how it shines through this transparent keycaps. Wow, guys, this in person is really mesmerizing. I really hope the camera can do it justice. I am really happy with the way this turned out. I love how the letters on the side are so visible through the RGB glow, and that transparency on top is really doing this key set justice. Right now, I'm just going through the color spectrum via the app. Like I said earlier, guys, there's tons of options. You can make your own very easily. Here's that American flag I made earlier, and it kind of looks like the top of a cop car with its sirens blaring. It's actually kind of funny. And here's that neon glow monsterish one I made earlier. Yet again, I have no idea why it reminds me of that. Please come up with a better name down below in the comment section. And if any of you guys out there were curious, the keycap set goes for $38.99 USD on Banggood's website. I think that's super affordable for a custom keycap set. There's no, obviously, soldering or things like that. It's just pop on and pop off. It really comes down to how bad you want this key set. I think it's worth every penny, but you guys let me know what you think down below. And obviously, everything you see in this video will be linked in the comment section as well as the description. Well, guys, a huge shout out to Banggood for helping, me with this video by sending this stuff over my way. I am super happy with the way it turned out. I want to hear what your opinion is, guys, down below. What you think of this keyboard? If you own it, would you pick it up? What do you think of this keycap set? Do you think it's worth the money? Did you guys really enjoy the video? Who knows? Give the video a huge thumbs up if you did, though. If you guys are new here, consider subscribing, as it helps me out a ton, and I want to grow this community together. I can only do that with the help of you guys. But most importantly, guys and girls, do not forget that you guys are absolutely awesome.